Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the drawing tools and the indicators on the FxPro application. So you need to simply launch the FxPro app, then you need to tap on the option of trade. Over here, you just have to select your demo account and then you need to simply choose that particular instrument in which you want to use the drawing tools and the indicator. So as you can see, the interface is going to look something like this. Now if you are not seeing these types of interface over here or the trading view over here, you need to go to the settings and you need to basically change the trading view option. Now once you have it, simply tap on this zoom icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, and as soon as you do this, you are going to see all of the tools available. So if you use TradingView frequently, you will know that these are the tools that you basically see inside TradingView app. So this is the trend line. You can tap on this particular option and then you can draw a trend line over here just like so. You can also change the color of your trend line. So simply select the color and tap on the color option and you can change the color just like so. Similarly, you are going to see all of the other tools, like we have the brush tool available here. We also have the Fibonacci tool available here. So you can just simply choose whichever tool you want and you can just simply use that over here. Similarly, you can select the option of indicator and you can search for any of the indicators. As soon as you tap on that, the indicator is going to be applied on top of your chart, and that's how basically you can use this feature inside your application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.